Hey there, in this video we're talking about how you can make money from home by being an audio editor. Have you ever considered being an audio editor? Do you know what it means to be an audio editor? I'm interested in hearing your thoughts on this for sure, because I know everybody has a different level of experience or knowledge when it comes to this kind of thing, and I'd love to hear from you on what you think it is. Now, most people think audio editing is something that only can be done by those who are sighted, but that's not the case. There are a number of different software out there that are capable of being used with screen readers and accessibility tools to be able to continue doing something like that. NVDA, JAWS, things like that are capable of working with some, but not necessarily all, audio editors. I know a couple people within the community who use something like Audacity or GarageBand. I myself don't have the best per se accessibility features on my audio editor, but that is because it's completely different compared to a lot of others. And mine is geared towards music creation and audio editing. But that is something that everybody can do, whether you're disabled or not. And you could be editing audiobooks, you could be editing podcasts, you could be editing a YouTube video that's being repurposed into audio. There is a number of different ways to be an audio editor, whether it's for music or for voice or whatever the situation may be. And if this is something that you're skilled in or have experience in, you can make a fair amount of money. And you can do this by offering it on your own blog or website. You can offer this as a service on Fiverr or Upwork or any of the other freelancing sites. You can have it listed as a service on your social media, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Threads, wherever. And then you can charge by the hour or by the project, or you can set up a specific contract with a client to do so many different audio editing jobs within a month, or set up a year contract, in which case you could be paid a large amount of money throughout the entire year. Or you can just do one-off jobs like on Fiverr or any of the other freelancing sites where you could charge $20, $30, $40, $50 or whatever you want to charge to do that audio editing. And like I said, you can do audio editing for an audiobook. You could be repurposing a YouTube video and editing it to become a podcast episode instead of being just a video. You could be editing an interview between two different people and making sure that there's no background noise, or maybe the volume on one person is too low and the other one's too loud, so you gotta even them out a little bit so it sounds better. Maybe you're doing a podcast and adding in background music. There's a number of different things you can do when it comes to being an audio editor. And as I said, you can list these things on just about any platform as a way to generate traffic and hopefully make you that revenue stream. Like I said, there is a variety of different software and applications that are audio editors. Now, depending on your situation, depends on what kind of accessibility features you're using in order to do this. Some may be using JAWS, some may be using NVDA, some may be using the narrator from Windows. Some of these programs may or may not be 100% accessible. So You're definitely going to want to do some searching around, see what features they have and things like that to ensure that you're getting the one that is going to work best for you in your situation. Again, I am curious if you've ever thought about doing something like this and what you feel about this kind of opportunity as a work from home career. Drop those thoughts, comments down below. I'd love to hear them. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to ask and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you found today's video helpful. Don't forget to check out one of these videos over here on the right hand side, as I'm sure one of them may interest you as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest, and we'll see you in the next video.